Hi, at the beach, y'all. With my mini-me. Say hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
You know the things you like, my temperature rising. You be my queen, I don't need no rules. It's a love song. Be gonna. Do you give me sugar? Wala, wala. You ride for me, spend some time with me. Say you try to be my everything, and that's fine with me. I ain't never gonna lie to you, so don't you lie.
This is a pretty girl being pretty. Hot girl being hot. Oh, I'm going to baby, turn around now. Oh, yeah, do makeup, baby, do makeup. Hey, chat.
Together for life. Unapendeza sana sana.
Say what's up, Baba.
Yawo krum. Rasta fuwa krum. Rasta fuwa krum.
This the warm water.
You see this? Or you can just go ahead and jump in that. I don't know. Sometimes you just want to jump in. Yeah, sometimes you just want to jump in.
Shoni Sisi.
You don't want to go jump around?
Cash up.
It's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold. Yeah, you cold. You know how to swim?
Yeah.
Who taught you how to swim?
Myself, I guess.
At the beach?
Swimming pools.
Wow, I can't swim. I'm too scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm real scared. Uncle Antoine threw me in the water at a pool. Ever since then, he was trying to teach me how to swim, but I was too scared. I panicked. And he had to come in there and get me
I
out.
ain't like one of them professionals, so I know how to do that, though.
I'm at the beach. I'm trying to find my brother. Where is he? There he is. Ah. Whoa! Bye-bye, that's all I'm gonna do. You wanna get your feet wet? Okay, come on. Woo! Now she gonna be scared. Now she gonna be scared. You scared her. You ready? You gotta come on. Hold both our hands. Hold her hand, alright? Hold Uncle hand. He not gonna let you go. Okay, we right here. Woo! Samara! Hi, Samora. You having fun?
Yeah, with my friends.
Auntie's coming. Look, Auntie's coming.
Auntie.
Tanya. Happy birthday. Turn around. Wait. Go ahead. Do your thing. Okay. 55. Samora.
Hi.
You having fun? Don't go too far.
No more. I don't wanna go back to where I did before. Make nobody stress me, don't disturb me, just
You ready? Not yet. Not ready. I gotta get it off mine. Let me get it. Let me get some more. Get two of them. Hurry up, my toes are waiting. My toes are waiting. My toes are waiting. Hurry up. Don't move. Let me hold it. I'm about to fall. My toes are waiting. My toes are waiting.
a mountain top like you live.
Thank you.
You getting cold? Are you having fun? Come here. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I want to play.
What do you want to play?
With her? Okay.
Making a castle.
Oh, she's making a castle. Cool. Teach me a gang sign. Teach me. That's not no gang sign. That's a gang sign. I can do that.
It's a gang sign. It's a gang sign.
What, like this?
Not like this. Look at my hands. A G.
A G.
Uh-huh.
This a gang
Yeah,
sign.
that's a gang sign.
Okay. Gang. Hey y'all. I'm at the beach with my brother. Oh, they were just watching TV. I'm at the beach with my bro.
I need to see that bump.
She only 6 weeks. She not showing yet.
When it starts showing.
You don't start showing. Well, if she, I don't know. She got a minute before she starts showing. We're just at the beach having fun. She took a test.
What that mean?
You got nice hair though. You got hair like Jesus. Wool hair.
I know it's gonna be nappy when I pick it.
Yeah. Got moisturizer.
Some water. What is it? I don't play games anyway. Oh, Samara, come on. We're not playing this one. Come on. We're playing another one.
want to get on that one? Okay, go ahead. You got to pay for the ticket first, or you can pay cash.
Thank you. Come on, baby. You ready? Here, hold the ticket. You ready for the ride? Let's see. Give me some sanitizer.
She got her tickets, Auntie.
Let's get on that one right there.
Samora, you want to get on the fast one right there? You want to get on that one? That one right there. Come on. I don't know.
No, look.
Okay, go ahead. Say, excuse me. Go ahead.
Thank you. Give me all these tickets.
You want me to get on there or Uncle Rara?
And Mom.
Uncle Rara gonna go with you.
I want Mom.
You want me?
I want Mom.
Lordy.
I don't want.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, I needed a legit.
Which one you want to get on?
I'm gonna bring the school bus around so y'all can get in the school bus.
Okay, he gonna get us in the school. We gonna wait for the school bus, okay? You hear me, Samora? We getting in the school bus because we're schoolgirls. So we about to get on this ride.
That's what Jamie was saying. He was like, man, he told me, he was like, man, your check, you never know, your check might look
Okay, come on.
Look, I don't believe human beings.
I can barely fit in here.
Jeff said he took me.
Sit in the back and you put him in the, let her sit in the front, you get back for your head could be. I mean, excuse me.
You fine. Samora, you want to sit back here with me? Come on. We got to get back here.
She might want to be the driver.
She can drive right here. Yay! You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
One dude down there go all around.
Woo! Samora! Samora! Whoa! Whoa! I'll tell you. Whoa, girl! Wait, I'll tell you.
Life is a highway, but I wanna ride it all night long.
Faster! Say hey, Auntie Tanya, look. Hey, she right there. Auntie Tanya! Go some water. Faster, faster. You want to drive slow? Say happy birthday, Aunt Tanya. Happy birthday! Whoa! My daughter's driving me so fast. Oh my God! Woo! I'm so tired. I just got off the ride like a big girl. Samora, you have fun? You have fun in the ride? Yes. I'm so exhausted. Happy birthday, Auntie.
She's talking about she was old. The night is young.
The night is
The
young.
night is young.
I'm a.
National holiday.
It is.
I'm not talking about Labor Day. I'm talking about my birthday.
Virgo season.
Virgo season.
She talking about she wanna go to the club, y'all.
For sure.
I haven't been to the club.
I wanna go to another game too bad.
I'm tired.
Mommy,
You wanna play what?
I wanna play for. I'm not gonna say it. I just want to play.
You wanna play what?
Stop doing that.
Get it. Get it. Huh? Get it. Get it, rah, rah. Get it, rah, rah. Shake it, rah, rah. Hey, shake it, rah, rah. Hey, shake it, rah, rah. Get it, y'all, yeah. Get it, Mora. Hey, get it, Mora. Hey, get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that is so cute. How much is it?
I accept donations for like single names, single words. Spit them out fairly fast. I accept donations for them. 2 names together, side by side. I did that way for 15. Put up on the stand for 20.
You want one, Samora?
Samora, that's a beautiful name.
I don't have no cash on me. You got cash, Auntie? Now I can give it back to you?
I got
I
Cash
want one
App.
for myself.
Oh, you accept Cash
Yeah, I
App?
have Cash App. I do card as well, but somebody stole my card reader last night.
Okay.
My daughter's name is Samara.
Samara?
Yeah. S-A-M-A-R-A.
Yeah, hers is S-A-M-O-R-A.
Uh-huh,
Yeah.
Samora.
She's named after an African president of Mozambique.
Yeah, sounds
Yeah.
familiar.
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
And
Okay.
it takes me all of 57 seconds to make the name.
57 seconds.
C-Y-N-E. 8 letters. How much is 8 letters?
I accept donations for them.
Okay, I want one. Simone, should I get separate or together?
Together.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, together.
I know
Can
what
I get-
C-Y. I know what I want. She don't know what she wants.
All right, you think about it. I'm going to do T-Y.
C-Y-N-I-E-L-L-E.
Well, you might as well cash app him $30.
I don't have cash app.
Oh, you don't have cash app?
No.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I can
I got-
cash app him.
Okay. T-Y.
N-I-E-L-L-E.
T-Y-N-I.
You mind being
Like
on
Danielle?
camera?
No, no,
Can I
You know
film
what
it?
Danielle means?
That'd be dope.
Make sure you get my good side.
Okay. It's going on YouTube now.
Is it going on YouTube?
Yeah.
T-Y.
C-Y.
Say your name. That you want.
Danielle.
Tanil?
Like Daniel?
Yes.
But Tanya.
Like Daniel still the author? With T
Right.
and a Y instead of a D and a A.
Very interesting.
T-Y. How you spell it?
T-Y-N-I-E-L-L-E.
Oh, okay. You told him already?
I'm telling you.
T-Y-N-I-E-L-L-E.
Yeah.
I love this name. Oh my gosh. I get tired of doing names like Seasons and Jessica Films. All those common names. I love the names you can't find in souvenir shops.
Yeah. We're going to get our names tomorrow. Ow. Yes, honey.
Where you from? You have like a YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's not popping yet, though, but...
Still, I would like
I'm
to see
starting.
my work if you're going to put this up there.
Okay. You have an Instagram?
Yeah, I do. I'm never up there, but I got one.
Okay.
500 Shades of Silver, like 50 Shades of Gray.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's dope. You enjoyed your birthday?
Yeah. Hungry.
You enjoyed your birthday?
Yes,
It was good.
So which Texas Roadhouse is you
it's good.
going
Nobody
to?
asked me to have it.
On Silverleaf or
I don't know the street. There's no how to get
Chesapeake?
there. If it's the one that say Virginia Beach, it say Virginia Beach. Get it, get it. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh, stop. Should be good. Come here, Samora. Samora. Oh, it's not her. We can't see you. Okay, come on, come on. Come on. Whoa.
Yeah, I can't right now.
Just a few minor adjustments. Make sure you're all balanced and whatnot.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Thank you. What do you think? Do you like it or love it?
Let mommy see. Let mommy see. Simone and Samora. Pretty cool. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Whew, we finally back in the car. We had a good day at the beach. You enjoyed yourself? And then we about to go to dinner. Yes. Ooh, that looks good. That's a nice lollipop. What's on it?
That's chocolate.
It's chocolate on the inside.
It's more candy.
I'm
B.
B.
Ain't never ate no Tootsie Pop before.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. You gonna sing happy birthday, Auntie?
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Woo!
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping.
Oh, I need it.
Tell me you gon' ride for me, spend some time with me. Say you tryna be my everything. Lil' babe on a birthday shake. I'm tryna get you to the birthday bed. You can even get the birthday head. That's what you call birthday sex. You don't need
Damn, I wonder if I can cut this tape.
They usually give you a real name.
They did. I don't know this. I had bought myself this on Landway. I gotta get it out. A purple Coach pocketbook. That thing is so pretty.
What color purple?
Like more not lavender. Damn, that boy tore it. He tore it ribs. You enjoyed them, huh? Yeah. You enjoyed it. Is that your first time?
This is my first ribs. For a while, man.
No, is that your first time at the beach?
No, that's why I asked. This is a titty beach.
Oh no, you enjoyed yourself so good. You had fun. I think you had more fun than anybody.
This is my first time completely home.
Okay. I feel you, bro.
Feel good to be out of Jersey, don't it? And I had to watch over your shoulder. No, you was like. birthday. Happy birthday, sexy.
You can even get the birthday.